Welcome to this video on Looker Developer Mode, a key feature for anyone working with LookML. Looker has two primary modes, production mode and development mode. In production mode, users explore data, and LookML files are read-only. Development mode allows developers to make and edit LookML changes, accessing a separate version of the data model. In Git terms, development is handled by a separate branch. Development mode is crucial, as it allows developers to make and test LookML changes without impacting other users who are viewing the production environment. Once satisfied, changes can be saved and merged to production. To enter development mode, you can use the Looker UI or the keyboard shortcut. Notice that the LookML and Explore menus display different options depending on whether you are in production or development mode. Let us demo both production and developer modes. We're starting here with a fully functional dashboard. Everything looks great, and the data is accurate. Currently, we are in production mode, meaning this is the stable version of the code that has been tested and deployed. Let us explore this KPI, and then let us edit our LookML code. I'll toggle on development mode. At this point, my user is referencing to my own private branch of the LookML code. We can access the code from Go to LookML. I usually keep two tabs open, one for the LookML editor, and one for an Explore page to test my changes in real time. Let's go into the order items view. I'm going to intentionally break the average order value measure by changing its technical name. When I save this and validate the code, Looker's content validator gives me a warning. It knows this field is used in a dashboard. Since this is a demo, let me ignore these warnings. If I refresh my Test Explore tab, the visualization breaks. In a traditional BI tool, this would mean the dashboard is now broken for everyone in the company. But here is the magic. If I toggle back to production mode, or if any other user views that same dashboard right now, it's still working perfectly. My broken code only exists in my local development environment. It hasn't been deployed to production. I can even check that my dashboard is still working. But let us now break also production by deploying the broken code, entering developer mode. First, I commit my changes with a note. Then I push to the remote repository. Finally, I click Deploy to Production. Only at this moment does my code move from my private sandbox to the live environment. If I turn off development mode now, we see the changes reflected globally. To protect your production environment, Looker's development mode allows you to build and refine LookML in a private sandbox without affecting end users. Beyond environment isolation, Looker ensures high code quality through a suite of validation tools. This includes the LookML validator for syntax and logic, the content validator to safeguard your dashboards, and continuous integration to automate SQL and LookML testing. For a deeper dive into these workflows, I encourage you to explore the Looker documentation.